everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to back up or restore your Viber chats. If you want to back up and restore your Viber chats, it is very important to keep your data safe. First, open the Viber app and then click on more and then go to the settings. Next, tap on account and then select the Viber backup app. Then choose the backup your chats to your iCloud storage and then wait for the backup to complete fully. To restore chats, install Viber on your device and log in with your phone number. During setup, you'll see an option to restore backup and tap it and wait for it to process to finish. Then make sure you are using the same account and cloud storage. Now your chats will be restored successfully. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.